Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to make a video on how I turned these two leg warmers that were 2 for $4 at Dollarama into this cute little jacket. So for those who don't know, Dollarama is a discount store. There's a ton of them in Canada. I went to PEI once and that was literally the only store there that I could recognize. No Walmart, no nothing, just Dollarama's. It was amazing. Now this was a project I did last year, so I can't guarantee if these are still on sale. I went last month and I did see them, so there's a good chance that they're still on sale. So yeah, just getting into it. What I'm doing is threading the needle first. It's gray. And I'm also going to flip these inside out just to take out the lining, which is that little white part. So instead of using a thread ripper, which I don't have, I'm using some scissors and an X-Acto knife to kind of pull apart the threads. Just be careful doing this, you can hurt yourself, so if you're younger, just beware. Now just a disclaimer, this is a very cheap feeling coat on the inside, but the outside looks great, and if you want something that you're gonna wear for like a night out, this is perfect. Also another disclaimer, this will only fit someone who's maybe like an extra small. If you do need more coverage or anything like that, then you might want to buy maybe another pair, so it could be an $8 project if you want. I actually am gifting this to my little niece, who is a 6-year-old. And now that those are completely gutted, they look nice. Make sure the fur is lying on the same side. You don't want a coat kind of having two different sides to it. And because this is a square, it doesn't really matter where you stitch it from, just as long as you stitch it from one side. And now once you lay it out, what I did is I kind of marked where it was using masking tape. You could use a tape measure and like a normal person would and do so. I didn't have it at the time, so I just used what I had and kind of just marked out where or how far I would want the armholes to go. And the armholes, you'll see later on, they're just 2 slits. So once that's done, you can see these two armholes are there. Now you'll see at the end or even at the beginning how it fits me, and it does look a little redonkulous, but it did look really cute on my niece. I just didn't want to show her. But yeah, it was really cute at the end. Right now I'm just sewing down the harsh edges on the top to make kind of shoulder pads, as well as make it look a little bit more streamlined and natural. And once that's done, you're pretty much done. You can either wear this yourself, I'm a full-grown adult female, or you could pass it on to someone younger, and it looks kind of cute. It's kind of like for photo shoots or show. It doesn't cost a lot, and it's a fun weekend project.